Welcome to our Outlook keyboard shortcuts video. In this video we're going to show you 7 keyboard shortcuts using the Control key. You can use these keyboard shortcuts in any Outlook versions. The first one is Control N. You can use Control N to open a new blank message. Hold down the Control key and tap the letter N and your new message appears. The second keyboard shortcut is Control K, and we can use this keyboard shortcut to search the Outlook address book for names of people that we haven't sent messages to previously, rather than clicking on the address book or the to field to find their email address. I type the person's name in that I want to send the email to and press Control K, and that will search the address book for me. So hold my finger down on the Control key and tap the letter K, and it's put an underscore underneath Peter's name, which indicates that it's found the email address for Peter. After entering the subject and typing in my message, I'm now ready to send the message. So the third keyboard shortcut is a keyboard shortcut to send a message, which is Control and Enter. So I hold my Control key down and press my Enter key. The very first time you use this keyboard, it will come up with this little message asking you if you want to use Control Enter as a keyboard shortcut for sending a message. I'm going to click on Don't Show This Message Again and Yes, and the email is now sent and will be showing in my Sent Items folder. The fourth keyboard shortcut today is Control R, and Control R will let you reply to an email. I've got an email selected at the moment, and I'm going to reply to this email using Control R. So hold my Control key down, tap the letter R, and my reply comes up, RE, indicating that I'm replying to that email. After typing your reply, we're going to use Control Enter to send the email. So the email has now been sent and is showing in your Sent Items box. The fifth keyboard shortcut is Control D. Control D deletes an email. I'm going to delete this email here by just clicking on it and holding down my Control key and pressing the D key. That has now been deleted and is in my deleted items folder. The sixth keyboard shortcut is a keyboard shortcut to take you to the calendar, and that's Control 2. Hold down your Control key and tap the letter 2. That takes you straight to your calendar, and Control 1 will take you back to your emails. Hope you found these keyboard shortcuts helpful. Bye.